How's she feel?
Look, right when I put her in third gear, she wants to go.
Take off like a bat out of hell?
Yeah.
Nice.
We need to check that booster.
Yeah, well, like I said, we got that vacuum reservoir already mounted. We just need to connect it.
Yeah, that definitely needs to happen.
Yeah, I got a sneaking suspicion. I got a sneaking suspicion that booster.
You actually have a lot. Your turn. Aside from tuning, we found out one of the problems is the choke is hanging up and getting stuck. So we're gonna have to figure out what's going on exactly. Right now we're gonna figure out what the hell's wrong with the choke. Ah!
Nice. All right. So, let's see. Crank the throttle back. See, when we crank the throttle, now that she's cold, that arm should pop up on its own. Oh, now it does. Frick! Let's crack it again instead of hammer. Crack. And now,
Mystery solved!
crank her up. Let's see.
Okay.
Weird. Yeah, it's working. It engaged like it should. It's coming down.
Wait, didn't you mess with it beforehand?
No. All I did before was reach in there and lift it up so it would hold the idle up until she got warm. Because it wasn't coming up like it should. Now it's working. It's weird.
Magically, the choke fixed itself. Put her around.
You want to take her around?
Or you take her around so you can...
Okay.
That's...
You got Miss Cherry's keys?
Now it's time to tune this little girl properly.
And 1, 2, 3, let go. There we go.
How'd you feel?
She did stall once when I was going off from over there up.
Okay.
But it was so much fun, I wanted to keep going. Just keep going. Guess what, guys? We're breaking necks! Overall, for the FST750, pretty good for the price, but there are still a few issues. Claiming to be pre-tuned out of the box, we have to do a lot of tuning for it to be just right for us. Tuning, not a big deal, but the choke is hanging up and we're gonna need to fix that. At the time of this video, the carburetor was priced at about $480 off Summit Racing. Pretty good for the price. Yeah. But to show some love, you always buy me a coffee. The link will be in the description. Thank you, and thank you for following Renegade 88. Sorry, I need more coffee. Brakes. Definitely brakes. TFI 750 carburetor.
FST.
FST.
Just like that.